The next tool that we're going to learn is called breath retention. So this can kind of change depending on your own needs and wants of your breath, what feels good for you. So what breath retention is we're just going to pause the breath for a few moments. We're not really holding the breath, trying to keep the breath as long as we can. We're just adding a little bit of a pause. You can stay seated or lying down. I'm just going to come a little closer so I can walk you through this step of our breathing practice. So a great way to practice breath retention, we'll give it a little try, and then we'll try box breathing. So box breathing is something that even the military uses to help soldiers calm their nervous system during very stressful situations. So we're going to give that a try as well. But let's just give breath retention a try here to see how that feels for you. It's very similar to Dirga breath, the breath that we just practiced. We'll inhale and exhale, but between those inhales and exhales, we're going to add a little bit of a pause. So taking that first inhale, however full you want to take it, and then pause the breath just for a moment or two. Again, we're not holding and squeezing and straining to keep this breath, and then exhale all the way out. We'll do that a few more times. Inhale. And then pause the breath again, just for a moment or two. Exhaling out fully and completely. And then see if you can pause that breath out for another moment or two. So we're having those pauses kind of at the top and the bottom of your breath. Inhaling fully and pause. And then exhaling fully and pause. Great. So try that for a few more rounds. Nice. Good. So again, shake it off. Let go of that control of breath. And then we'll try our box breathing. So traditionally, box breathing is an inhale for 4, an inhale for 4, a pause for 4, exhale for 4, and then another pause for 4. So I'm going to give you those cues, but if for some reason that timing doesn't quite work for you, feel free to adjust it and change it. We're just trying to go with the inhale, pause, exhale, pause. So you can change up those numbers or change up that length as much as you'd like to. As always, this is about calming the nervous system, not increasing stress. So we want to find something that feels relaxing to you. So when you're ready, let's take a hot breath in through the nose and then out through the mouth. Good. Let's do that one more time. In through the nose and out through the mouth. Great. That hot breath is a great little tool to use anytime you kind of need to reset or relax your muscles. It's a good little trick. I use it all the time. So let's start with that box breath. Again, we're going to try to inhale for 4, pause for 4, exhale for 4, and pause for 4. But if that timing doesn't quite work for you, feel free to change it up. On your next inhale, we're going to inhale 1, 2, 3, 4, pause 1, 2, 3, 4, exhale 1, 2, 3, 4, pause 1, 2, 3, 4. Again, inhale 2, 3, 4, pause 1, 2, 3, 4, exhale 1, 2, 3, 4, pause 1, 2, 3, 4. Again, inhale 2, 3, 4, pause 1, 2, 3, 4, exhale 1, 2, 3, 4, pause 1, 2, 3, 4. Again, inhale 2, 3, 4, pause 1, 2, 3, 4, exhale 1, 2, 3, 4, pause 1, 2, 3, 4. Great. Continue on. Moving at your own pace. Good. Let's try 3 more rounds. About 1 more round to go. Good. When you complete that last pause, inhale and exhale, natural pace. Good. And take these next few breaths, again, to check in with the body. See how the body is responding to changing this breath up. See how the body responded to adding in that pause, adding in that breath retention. Did that feel good and kind of getting used to that moment of stillness? Or did that give you any anxiety or any stress, pausing the breath? There's no judgment here. It's all just about awareness. What feels good for you? That's what we're exploring today. What feels good and beneficial to you?